Good morning, everyone. I'm coming, Tux. Come on. Come on. I know Marty's up here, but it'll be okay. Morris is coming too. Hi, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hi, Stripey. You ready to go back to sleep for your nap? We have sun. We have warmth. We have shopping day. Everything looks like it's coming to life very nicely. I do see one turkey vulture in the far tree up there, but just the one. That's fine. I know where the last of the possum ended. Possum ended up is way out there in the woods. Out of the way is fine. I can't imagine he's here for that, guys, all I'm trying to say. You can see the pollen there on that maple tree. Don and I are going to go for a walk here in a minute. Hey, Gray Girl. Good morning. Good morning. How are ya? Hi. Hi, Sweetie Pea. Hi. Yes, I'm a good girl. Yes, I'm a good girl. Well, it certainly is a lovely morning. A lot of people playing pickleball inside. Not too many people out here enjoying the weather. Looks like they mowed yesterday. I can't say that I'm missing walking around while they're making all that racket. So if we're inside on a day and we miss the mowers, that's goodness. Imagine how much nicer the world would be if everybody stopped to pick up 2 or 3 pieces of trash today.
Well, we got 2/3 of a bag.
Yeah, it wasn't the worst day ever, but the park definitely looks better.
Yeah, they had cut the grass so you could really see all the little pieces.
Yeah, we try so hard to pick it up before they cut it, but yeah, because then we just have more pieces to pick up, but that's life. Yeah, Don and I have got to walk this stretch this weekend and pick up trash. It's pretty bad, especially between the environmental park and the trailhead. Here comes the white Model X. I waved, of course. Michelle will catch up with me in a few minutes. Let the bargain hunting begin. Michelle, that's some serious red there.
With my blood in it.
Yeah, it is kind of a blood red color. Okay, so show us this purse.
This is a Loungefly, Universal Monsters, Dracula.
Yeah, it's in the shape of a coffin. Wow.
So.
Very neat. Does it have special fabric inside?
Oh yeah, yes. And it
Does it glow?
Nope, doesn't glow.
Okay,
but
so
it's Dracula.
It's Dracula, yeah. I see that little Hello Kitty that I printed.
Yep. I love them.
Yeah, she has her ghost boots on today. Also.
New Papa.
There's never a shortage of new art. There's a good bit of large art today. This is kind of a nice scene with the barn and the off in the distance there in the water. Yeah. It is good that they reuse these, from year to year, and you can find all kinds of ones and patterns and things. Pretty neat. I like this shirt. It reminds me of one of those sand things from Natural Wonders that you flip upside down and it makes a new design. It looks just like that. Okay, any of you guys looking to get your inner Easter on? This particular shirt's super huge. This would be going home with me, except that it's a medium and it looks too small for Dawn. Since I've been putting together Cinderella castles this week in Lego, that's very fitting. Those are big shoes too.
They are.
Goodness, are they a 10? They're huge.
I think, what is it?
I don't know.
42?
They're large.
What's a 42?
Are you a squish hunter?
Yes.
On occasion, I've been known to be a squish hunter. Squishmallows.
Especially
the stuffies.
For the
yes.
doctor ones.
I've been talking about it, complaining about it, bragging about it, or dying over it, but I haven't had any caffeine for 3 days now. I 6 days. The first 3 days I tapered down, so today's day 6, I think, maybe day 7. I don't know. I'm missing it. I'm not going to say never, but I haven't had any coffee for multiple days now. No Zevia drinks either. No monk fruit. No stevia. No. I had a small amount of cheese, but no heavy whipping cream. I don't know. Is there stuff, Michelle? Is there stuff that's worth life still? I don't know. Shopping with you. If it wasn't for shopping with you and driving with Dawn in the Tesla, I don't know.
Oh my god, but I didn't know you were going through some kind of weird detox.
Don't I look normal today, though? Normal, jovial self?
Normal self. I'm
And you know,
irritated.
I haven't had a lot of headaches this time. Before I have suffered with the worst headaches of my life, and I haven't this time. It's Ariel's opening night of her last senior play drama. Wow. Yeah. We're really enjoying all the spring colors and clothes here on the rack. It's full of brand new stuff that people haven't really been gone through yet.
Fast.
Well, it was another good day. We didn't overdo, but we're happy with what we got. Yeah.
We got good stuff.
Well, you wish Ariel and Connor good luck, break a leg on their, performances tonight over at the school.
No one gets sick. No one gets sick.
Right, exactly. Hope their best performance yet.
I hear SpongeBob.
Your squeaky shoes, for sure. I actually didn't buy a lot today. A shirt for Johnny, 2 shirts for me, and I'm going to try to set up this Apple HomePod Mini, which came from Thriftronics. It's the only ecosystem, well, the big 3 that we don't have, and I thought, well, why not have one of them? We've got a ribeye steak smothered with egg, cheese, and Vidalia onion, a piece of salmon with a lot of butter, and some bacon because Don's happier when I put bacon on his plate.
Everything's better with bacon.
Well, we're pretty stuffed. Don's going to take his nap. I dozed off when I did the video with Gray, and I'm going to work on Lego for a while. It's going on 5. First thing is to put back together a Lego Ariel and the Magic Spell, which has a Ursula figure. Yeah, I'm gonna do that one first. I have most of the special parts already in this Ziploc bag. Well, we're getting a nice little rain shower here. Pretty calm and peaceful. Thought I'd come out here for those of you that don't get a lot of rain where you live but enjoy rainstorms. I am very pleased to go into the growing season with nice regular rain. Growing up in New Jersey and in North Carolina, I'm used to 40 or more inches a year, and I like it that way. I was able to completely put it back together. I am quite pleased, and it took less than an hour. So I got the first 2 floors of Rapunzel's castle built. There's another floor and then this purple piece. This is a pretty tiny set, but I'm only able to get half of it done tonight.